Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2018 Subaru Legacy 2.5i. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with keyless entry, power mirrors, lightly tinted glass, chrome trim, and much more. 17-inch steel wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, and a strong 4-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 5,218 miles. Key fob trunk release, large wraparound brake lights, sleek badging, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable backseat with cup holders, the front row adjustable cloth bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, an electronic parking brake, a valet function, selective internet, a tilting telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with Bluetooth speed compensating volume and an auxiliary port, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.